your back way. You know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I never run away. Even Fatty bum bum, baby bum bum, this your bum bum, keep body like bum bum. Fatty bum bum, baby bum bum, this your bum bum, keep body like bum bum.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying something new with my hair once again, and I'm going to be doing this little protective hairstyle, which is a halo braid. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to see how I achieve this halo braid, definitely stay tuned. But before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And of course, if you want to see more videos from us on this channel, we do hair videos, makeup videos, fashion videos, and lifestyle videos. So definitely stay tuned at the end of this video and go watch those other ones. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and we're gonna get right into this tutorial. Okay guys, so we're gonna get into this video. I'm gonna start by unraveling the braids that I already have, and we're gonna, attempt to do a halo braid. I've always wanted to do one, but I never have. Like, I've done twists, I guess halo twists, flat twists, and that's easy, but I really want to try doing a halo braid. And thankfully, because my hair was in braids, it's gonna be stretched out, so that's gonna help, I believe. Okay, so I want my halo braid to be like a side part, so I'm going to part my hair real quick. So I'm gonna use this pick and I'm going to do like a deeper part, just because I know like when you braid, it doesn't look, like a halo right away. So I think I'm gonna part it somewhere here. Okay, and you don't want to do too much of a deep part because you still want to like have equal on each side. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to part it here, and I think right here is probably where I'm gonna stop. So I'm just perfecting that part. Yeah, I think it's good like this. And then now I'm gonna basically like kind of go across and in the middle. So I already kind of had a middle, well, it is not that good of a middle part, but basically I'm gonna go off of that just so I can kind of have equal like amount of hair on both sides, So take your time with this, guys, because the parting is always what's harder, but it's important. I think the back section was already like parted pretty well. So this is how we're gonna do it. So this is going to be one braid. This whole thing here is going to be the other braid. That's going to be the one that goes across. So I'm just going to go ahead and section this section off, and we're going to work on it later because that's like the smaller section. So now for the fun part, the braiding. Before I start braiding, I'm going to go ahead and use my Shine and Jam gel. And I'm just going to put that on the edges just so it can smooth into my hair. And to make sure that it's like really well parted, Okay, so now that I put some gel on it, I'm gonna start to cornrow. And I'm gonna try doing this my best. It's kind of hard doing it on yourself, but practice makes perfect, guys. And on top of that, I haven't done it in a while, so wish me luck. But basically, you're just going to split this in 3. Start with a small section, and then I want to mention, like, you want to try to cornrow as close as possible to your forehead. So that's what I'm gonna try doing. So yeah, I'm not the best at cornrowing, guys, but just take your time. So I basically finished one side. As you can see, like I didn't get to like do it as close as I wanted to, but it's okay, we'll still make it work. So I'm gonna go and work on the second side, and this one I'm just literally going straight back, but I'm going to do the same thing and add a bit of gel first. Okay, so now that I've put the gel on, I'm about to start braiding basically. Okay, so I'm done. This side was actually kind of easier to keep like closer. I don't know, it's probably because like it's easier for me to braid this way than this way. So, but it's okay, you know, it doesn't look that bad still. So what I'm going to do now, I went and added a bit more gel here just to like sleek it down a little more. But I'm going to take my little brush and just define my edges, my baby hairs basically. If you want to, you can do this like beforehand, leave some hair out, however you do it. For the most part, I just do little baby hairs. I don't do nothing special with them. And you can go ahead and add more gel if you need to, but I'm going to take these two strands and just pin them in the back. So I'm going to pin this one underneath here, underneath this braid with a bobby pin. And just make sure you pin it in the way that you don't see the pin, obviously. And then I'm gonna take this one and go underneath here too and pin it. And just like that, you have yourself a nice little protective hairstyle for the week. What you can do to like keep it down a little more, if you want to like lay your edges properly, you can use a bandana and just kind of, you know, put it on. But I don't need to right now, so I'm not gonna do it. But yeah, this is basically how the hairstyle looks. I'm gonna turn around to show you the back, even though I feel like the back isn't like, it's not gonna look the best, you know. So guys, this is the end of the video. This is what my halo braid looks like. Yeah, I'm sure, you know, the more I do it, the more I try it, the better it's gonna look. I feel like it's not that bad, but it's just this braid, I would have wanted it to be like closer, you know, but it's fine, you know, like everything is a learning process, and I hope this video helped you learn too. So yeah, if you want to see any other hair tutorial, definitely comment down below, or if you want to see me try any other hairstyles, comment it down below and I'd be glad to try it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and always supporting, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Be mine on her. your lazy. She be